Ready? Go! What do you chew food with? Is it A, teeth, or B, nose? Teeth break food into smaller pieces to start digestion. What drink helps you stay healthy? Is it A, water, or B, soda? Water keeps your body hydrated and helps all its systems work properly. What organ makes pee? Is it A, kidneys, or B, pancreas? Kidneys are the organs that filter waste products and excess fluid from the blood to produce urine, which is then removed from the body. What gives you energy from food? Is it A, vitamins, or B, carbohydrates? Carbohydrates like bread and pasta break down into sugar, specifically glucose, to be used as energy by the body. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more, and share this with your friends to join the fun. What organ stores bile to digest fats? Is it A, gallbladder, or B, stomach? The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver. When fatty foods are consumed, the gallbladder releases this bile into the small intestine to help break down and absorb the fats. What nutrient builds strong muscles? Is it A, calcium, or B, protein? Protein found in meat and beans repairs and builds muscle tissue. What part of the digestive system absorbs water? Is it A, small intestine, or B, large intestine? The large intestine is the primary organ for absorbing water from indigestible food matter, transforming it into semi-solid feces. While the small intestine absorbs most of the water and nutrients, the large intestine's main role is to absorb the remaining water and electrolytes. What enzyme digests proteins in the stomach? Is it A, pepsin, or B, trypsin? Pepsin, activated by stomach acid, breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. Trypsin digests proteins in the small intestine, not the stomach. What condition results from insulin deficiency? Is it A, hypertension, or B, diabetes? Insulin is a hormone that helps sugar from your food get into your cells to be used for energy. If your body doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use it properly, sugar builds up in your bloodstream instead of entering your cells. Diabetes occurs when the body can't produce or use insulin, leading to high blood sugar. What vitamin is produced by skin exposure to sunlight? Is it A, vitamin C, or B, vitamin D? Skin synthesizes vitamin D from sunlight, which then aids in calcium absorption for strong bones. Well done! You just crushed the quiz. What's your score? Share it in the comments section.